Here he comes now. We've got Ajay coming up from PLMD. They are a property business that structures, manages and builds properties across the UK. So I'll let you take it from here.
Thank you. Good morning, everybody. More like it. Let me try again. Good morning, everybody. Thank you. And thank you, Steve and the team, for organizing this today. This is amazing. And thank you to all of you for coming here on a nice, warm, sunny day, which we are getting a lot of nowadays because of global warming, I guess. So let me tell you about myself. I think the slides are still loading. Okay, good, perfect. My name is Ajay, and I am from a real estate background. I am the CEO of PLMD Group. What is that we are here for? We're here for talking about venture capital. We're here to talk about investments. So what's in the mind of the investor right now? Any guesses? I think 8th of July, which is where we are today. This is what's happening in the market. GDP, inflation, high cost. There's things like high volatility. These guys decided to go on a war. And these guys decided to resign. And what happens next? Boris Johnson resigned. And it's all happening in this country, but we all know this is happening around us, yeah? What does that mean? That means a very strange outlook for investors. In times of deep uncertainty, what should we be doing? We should go back to the basics. Buy something that you can hold for 10 years. That's what we should be focusing on. That's what the message we are giving. Now, how do you do that? Let's start with a clean slide. Stock market. Yes, going well, but let's see what happens. Commodities, wow, they're going somewhere. I would not spend time on Bitcoin. We all know where this is going. Hey, so where's the answer? Property investment is the safe way out. Look at this guy. He poses like this to save the investments. That's what he's doing. Now, let me tell you about us, full-service property investment firm. We've done 15 plus projects, so we're not a startup. We're not getting money for something where we're going to try. We have been doing this for a long time. 20 plus years we're doing this, 15 plus projects. This is a high growth opportunity, and we are on a mission to build 1,000 homes. We are a full-service property lifecycle firm. We do project acquisition. We do project management. We do development and construction. So we buy land, we construct. We do estate management, which means we talk to our tenants day in, day out. We manage them, we retain them, we look after them. And PLMD Capital raises capital because we buy this land, we convert them into flats, we retain the clients, we don't sell them, so we need capital, and that's why we are here for. Let me just quickly get into BVP. Beautiful, isn't it? This is one of our recent developments. It's called BVP for Bellevue Place. I call it beautiful because it really is beautiful. We have spent 2 years building it, and it's nice, isn't it, where it is? Let me tell you why this is nice. We bought a land for $750K. We spent 3.6 million building it, and voila, what we have created. 19 apartments, 5.6 million value, 240K rentals, and 22% return. So what are we doing here? We're here to share these returns with our potential future investors. This is some of our developments. Let me get into the problem and the solution space. Housing affordability is very complicated. It's very difficult to manage investments in UK. Legal compliance, a lot of stuff is happening. And then we've been talking about deep uncertainties in the market. What are we doing? We're building more and more homes. This is our solution to this. We're offering passive investment, which means we take money from investors, we manage this investment. On top of this, UK real estate, in my view, offers a very good hedge. Things can go up and down. Boris Johnson has resigned, a lot of things happening, but real estate is still fine. Let me tell you our offering. We are here to raise 1 million. This is the group. If you can see PLMD Estates, we have bundled 52 rentable units, and they're all producing income. I'm not saying, hey, we're going to go and do something, and then we'll find some customers and give you returns. No. This is it. It's happening. It's delivering results. 8% profit share on top of this. Let me look at this offering in detail. 12% projected returns from 50 plus rental units. There's no ifs and buts. This is easy. We are delivering it. It's not like we're going to take the money, do something, then we'll deliver. We are actually delivering it now. Profit share from capital appreciation. Property prices are going up. This morning there was a news, 11.6%. Property prices have gone up in the last 1 year. We're here to share that return. So 12% return on investment, 8% on capital appreciation, safety of returns because you are the priority shareholders, which means you will eat first, then we will get anything. And the best thing, safety of capital. Nobody talks about that these days, but I'm an old timer, so I talk about safety of capital. Where is the safety of capital? Behind the 1 million that you would invest, we would have 2.8 million of our own money on the line. Before our investors would lose a penny, we would lose 2.8 million. Does it get better than this? I don't think so. I haven't seen it. Anyways, this is the construction project. This is how we kind of measure ratings on stock markets. We're going to use this rating for a construction project is WB. So BB, so like risky. If you have an income generating project, the way we looked at Bellevue Place, it goes to A because there's no construction risk. This is their producing income. This is A. Now look what we do for our investors. We get building insurance, landlord liability insurance, rent protection insurance, and amazingly, fixed interest mortgages. So this 1 year, interest rates have gone up 3-4 times already. Am I bothered? No. I'm on a fixed rate mortgage. Our game plan is working as planned. And this is where we believe our investments are. Now, we will use these funds for development projects. We'll use them for improvement of assets and for sustainability practices. We're big into this. On top of that, operational expansion is what we'll use it for, and 2% for branding. This is the time when I come and stand here and tell you about the company. So that's what the 2% is for. Let me move forward. There are 4 major milestones. We're going to be raising 1 million, and the idea is that this would add 10 million to our asset under management. Second big thing is we're adding 35 homes every year, then we increase it by 40% every 2 years. Moving forward, more branding, and the best thing is by 2028, we aim to build a 120 million sustainable buy-to-let portfolio. This is the financial forecast. It shows how we raise money from investments and how we add it to our AUM and what the returns we get out of them. We've got a brilliant team here. There's a lot of us standing here. We are presenting in the stall, so if you want to, please come and talk to us. These are the familiar faces. You would see all of them here. What would you do in a market like this where house prices are going up, volatility is going up, affordability is down? Property is the answer. So if you're ready to invest in something like this, come and meet us in the stalls there or come to our office in Stratford. Thank you.